Rust-Oleum's Mirror Effect spray paint allows you to create your very own Mercury Glass faux finish in just a few easy steps. In this video, we'll show how to turn ordinary mason jars into sophisticated Mercury Glass centerpieces. Be sure to spray in a well-ventilated area and cover the area to protect from overspray. Before you begin, make sure the surface you're painting is clean. You can clean with soap and water or a household glass cleaner. To avoid residual fibers, wipe with a microfiber cloth or lint-free cotton. An important application feature of this product is that you'll be painting the inside of the mason jar. To prepare, cover the outside of the jar with paper, securing the edges with painter's tape. Mix 1 part vinegar and 2 parts water into a clean spray bottle. Shake to combine the mixture. For easy blotting, you can create a wand. Take an ordinary stir stick and fold a paper towel, then wrap the towel around the end of the stir stick. Secure with painter's tape. Fray the ends of the paper towel to give your mason jar a one-of-a-kind look. Read all instructions before beginning your project. Once you're ready to paint, shake the can vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes after the mixing ball begins to rattle. Hold the can 10 to 12 inches from the surface and spray a very light coat onto the inside of the jar. It's important to spray light coats so that the paint does not drip. For best results, make sure to keep the spray pattern consistent and light. Spray a few light spritzes of the vinegar solution onto the painted side of the glass. Once the vinegar solution is applied, use the wand to lightly blot the inside of the mason jar so that the coating slightly rubs off. Be sure to vary the blotting around the jar to give the jar a unique mercury look. Apply 2 to 3 light coats until you've created the desired mercury glass look. For each coat applied, repeat the vinegar solution and blotting steps. For an added antiqued look, add a very thin coat of Ultra Cover 2X Flat Black on top of the final painted coat. Allow 1 to 2 hours for the jar to dry. Once the final coat is completely dry, remove the tape and paper from the jar. Now you can enjoy your new project and show off your creative talents at your next gathering.